This next collection is some goblets that I've been turning. I had seen a video on YouTube and studied it and learned how the gentleman was making these things. These are offset. I don't know if, yeah, you can tell that is offset. This is with one offset, and here's another with one offset. This item was, or the goblet was offset twice. And these, here's another one that was offset, has two offsets on it. Again, these are all out of the cherry green wood from the 56-year-old cherry tree. These last two I have just made. These are offset 3 times. And this one is another one that was offset 3 times. No two are ever exactly alike, as you can see. Okay, one more small collection of fun things, and then that will be all.